Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the QZT small camera without Wi-Fi. The QZT HD mini micro camera and recorder with motion detection. If you will need it, you can set it. With night vision, if you need it, you can switch to it. And 32 GB of SD card. Of course, you can push in more. What was it? 128 GB, I think. USB, Dictaphone, a surveillance camera for recording audio and video for office and meetings. The main features are, of course, the audio. The audio is really good. And this mini camera designed with a 1080p HD resolution, a night vision mode, and motion detection. It provides a clear image and a video view, but the night vision of the mini camera is not automatic. We have to turn it on by using the knob, which we can choose to night vision or a standard video vision. And the motion detection can be switched on or off, and this works with a file. So you have to use the SD card, plug it into your computer, go to the SD card folder, and then open the setup or time.txt file, and then you can switch this option on and off. Of course, you can switch in this file the date, stamp, watermarks, and of course the resolution too. Because it's easy to install. This is a small camera designed with a back clip and magnetic back. It can be attached to our bag or collar, very portable and lightweight. In addition, the mini surveillance camera can be easily installed on office devices or home furniture with metal material, such as desk or doors. It's very practical, really cool. And it comes with a long working time. The small camera designed with USB port supports the device about 14 hours when it is full charged. The full charge will cost you, I think it was 3 hours. When we connect the mini camera to the portable power bank, the camera can work for a longer time. We do not worry about the battery emptying. And the video camera supports loop recording and non-loop recording format. We can set desired format in the text file. When we turn it on the loop recording, the new files automatically override the old ones. If not loop recording, we have to look by ourselves and delete the old files by ourselves. This portable mini camera supports motion detection. We can activate the motion detection via the settings. As long as we turn on the motion detection, the camera starts recording when a motion will be detected. And night vision. With the night vision function, this small camera can work well even in dark night. And the night vision is easy to turn on and off. There's a night vision button that we can freely turn on and off course. For example, let's record a video. We slide the recording mode to the video format. We long press the power button. The mini camera turns on and starts recording the video, and the device saves the file. Every 10 minutes to avoid data loss. When the device is switched on, the blue light will be light up for seconds, and then it will go off. That's good because this gives us information. We will push the power button, and then it will start working. If we push again, it will be stop working. If we are going to make a video and we would like to take a photo, that means in the recording status, we press the power button briefly to take a picture. The picture function must be used in the video mode and in the status of the video recording. And then we can use sound recording. We slide the recording mode to the audio format. Long press the power button, the mini recorder will turn on and start recording. That's good for meetings, for example. And the device will save the audio files every 60 minutes to avoid data loss. It's the same style. Push again, 3 seconds on the power, then it will switch off. When the device is switched on, the blue light will be lit again. It's the same style like video. Then you push in your SD card into your computer slot, and then you can download the files easily. Then you can delete them or leave them there as you like. This is the small camera without Wi-Fi by QZT. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.